So let me do this quick. Alright. So, hello, I'm Boyd, or Michael, and these are my two servers, two 1U servers. I'm going to be setting them up from scratch, and these ones are actually a pain. They're each going to have a 1 terabyte hard drive. I sold the other solid state drive, so I can't use solid state drives for this build, which is okay because I'm going to need that storage for the Blender projects. But if I can get the cord to come over here, this is the input on the front. You got 2 USB on each of them, a VGA for monitoring, and another little digital screen there for some useful info, and a DVD slot, which we will be sticking in the drivers for the Wi-Fi cards, because these only have gigabit LAN and no Wi-Fi. And in the back, it's just a VGA, serial, 4 gigabit LANs, 2 USB. That's it. Nothing special. These are servers. I'll show you the inside. Both are running E5445X's or something like that, dual. Let me see if I can get this off with one hand. Okay. So, this is the inside, both the same. This one only has, I think, 16 gigs of RAM. The other one has 8. The other one, well, the other one has 16. This one has 32. And, yeah. Do they need that much? No. Because that's literally all they're going to do is render Blender projects, and contrary to popular belief, Blender does not use that much RAM. Otherwise, this is my setup over here. This is what you normally see me in. It's a bit of a mess right now. I've got my favorite hats over here. Actually, that's the back. So yeah, got that. And got this. So maybe I should just wear this the whole time. I look like a tourist or something. But, so that's that. And let's get this booted up, shall we? We're going to start from scratch. So, let me grab stuff here. Because what's going to happen is they're both going to be connected by Wi-Fi, these little guys. And it's not going to be the fastest. Once I get them set up, they're going to be away in another room, because you'll see when I turn them on, they are loud as fuck. So let's go ahead and install Windows. That's on this little guy right here. And what's cool is with these machines, they still have 2 years left on their Access client, like list thing. I can't remember what they're AC or ALC. I can't remember. Let me pause the stream here so it doesn't cause problems. There we go. All right. And okay. Alright. So we'll start with this one up top first. So stick that in there. Go grab the drives, which are here. And these are just 2 wasted drives. They're not that good, nothing special with them. They're, let's see, gigabit. Where's the RPM on it? Yeah, 5400 RPM and probably 5400 RPM, if it tells me. Okay, this one doesn't say. They're both pulled out of the same goddamn machine, so I'm gonna say they're both 5400 RPM. I know the one is, and I don't have the slots to slide these in there nicely, so I just kind of have to finagle my way in there and work with it. Come on. No easy way for me to do this. Oh, not quite. Okay. And also, these are known for. Okay, there we go. Got that one. They're known for they are known for not wanting to start up when you change the RAM on them. So because they were running before with 128 gigs of RAM in them before, they might run into the issue of not wanting to boot up after this. And I'll have to work around that somehow. I haven't had to run into that yet. I did once, and I can't even remember how I fixed it. It just kind of worked one day. I just kept shutting it off, turning it back on, and one day it's like, yep, you have new memory in here. Here you go. We'll just adjust our lives. And I am having a hell of a time getting this in there. Ugh. I'm rusty, okay? It's been since October. Alright? Come on. Sweet mother of God. There we go. Alright. So, that's both of them. We're going to plug this guy in. You'll hear it boot up right away. It's going to spin up. Probably be loud. You might not be able to hear me. But, okay. So that's that. Now we are going to make sure that's on. So now it's actually starting up. Turn the screen on. Come on. Maybe it was auto on. Let's see here. So we should see a nice little command prompt blooping up there. I might need to change the source on it. Oh, there we go. So configuring memory. I can't imagine how loud that is. So once it gets to that point, it quiets down quite a bit. But we're going to have to go in there, set up the volumes for the drives. I'm going to grab a chair. Okay. Got Power Edge. Wait for it to go through the boot sequence. This is really kind of boring. This is not the fun part. Okay. Alright, so it's saying memory's good. It says the configuration for the memory is not optimal, which means, okay, there. So press any key, we gotta configure the drives here. Press Y, continuing configuration, yep. So I'm gonna move that mouse over. I'm just using this. Okay, come on. So now I'm gonna shut it down. Wait a few seconds. Start it back up. Now this time we're going to mash the C key so we go into the configuration utility, but we're going to have to wait until after it gets to that point for the RAID controller card. We got to set up the volume because by default these drives are not recognized by either Windows or by the RAID controller. Since each of these systems has 6 drive bays, they're all going through a SAS and SATA backplane back to the RAID controller card, and that is why they aren't showing up yet. So, come on. Servers are very slow starting up, so this is, I want to share this with you guys. You know, this is kind of my fun. I love tinkering around with stuff like this. I picked both of these servers up together for about $300 at 3R Technologies. Alright, so we're getting here. That's the Ethernet card. There we go. So match the disk. Control R. Come on. Oh, come on. Don't make me reboot again, please. It's not fun. Oh, come on. Okay, whatever. I'm just going to go ahead and mash the button. Wait for it to shut down. Alright, so we're just going to mash that. To get into this LSI RAID controller card, the shortcut is Control R. That's how you get to the configuration utility. Hopefully it doesn't skip over. I might have to go get a wired keyboard because right now this one's wireless and it might not have the drivers right away. We'll see. Come on. I do hope to have a different setup for streaming soon. I plan to play some more RuneScape shortly. I really want to play. Oh, there we go. So I really want to play Ark Survival Evolved and live stream that, but the issue is that game maxes out my CPU. So come on, I'm trying to go into the thing. Come on. Come on, go to the utility. Let's go. Come on. No, come on. Set up program. No, give me the fucking exit the Broadcom. Come on, Pro R. Go to the configuration utility. No! Damn it. Okay. So there I was trying to boot up to the USB drive. Yeah, I'm going to... Actually, I'm going to shut it down. Alright. Let me hook this guy up, because I don't think it's liking the wireless keyboard right now. I should have a PS2 keyboard. That's what I really should have plugged in. Then it wouldn't have any of these issues. So, plug into the front USB port. Start it back up. Match Control R and C. Actually, don't even need to for a while because it takes a long ass time for it to get there in the first place. Actually, I think the CPU is in E5450, I think. I could go look that up quick, but... Oh, wait. Alright, so we're getting there. There we go, finally. Okay. Unconfigure disk. Let's go press F2. Okay, so we're going to set it up. Put that over there. We're at terabyte. Tab. Gonna call this. Gonna call the volume. S1 hyphen 1TB. Okay. So can't really read that. That says it's recommended that you, this new one, yeah, that you initialize it. So with it selected, press F2, initialize, start initialization, yes. 2 seconds, should be good to go. Progress, 0%. Come on. Whoever thought it was good to put white text on a bright green, bluish screen, it's just stupid. Okay, there we go. So stop initialization. We're gonna turn it again, do fast initialization. There we go, 49%, and done. Okay, and God, I can't read. Are you sure? You want to exit? Yes. Delete to reboot. So now we can hopefully let it go, and it will boot into the USB drive, and we can start installing Windows 10. It only took us 16.5 minutes. Okay. If it wasn't a server, it wouldn't take nearly this long, but that's the price you pay for server components. Oh, I suppose he's hungry. Let me go get Diablo some crickets while we're waiting. Get him out. Maybe he can eat some crickets in front of us. That'd be kind of cool. Alright. Okay, so there is setting up the drives, initializing them. They should recognize that there's one volume. Yep, one virtual drive, one handled by the host adapter, and then one is being handled by the BIOS. Alright, so let's move that there, that there, and I will get Diablo. Buddy. Alrighty. So, put you there. There you go. Oh, where you going? Where you going? Huh? I'm gonna get you. Alright. Alright. Got one that went over here. So, there he goes. Yeah, he's getting it. Good boy. Good boy. He's going for a run now. Alright. Let's go back over here. You gotta get some more food, bud. Come on. Come on. Okay. So I'm gonna try to get this guy over here. I almost jumped off the table to get one. There we go. Alrighty. So it says press F1 to continue. Press F1. That's going to go ahead and boot into the disk or the USB drive. Yeah. There you go. Good boy. Okay. Move this back over here. Alright, so next, install. Come on. There you go. Once we get into Windows 10, it'll automatically grab that. Yep. Custom install, built to a terabyte. Okay, now we just wait for that. We're not going to worry about doing updates yet. So that's going to take a little while. In the meantime, how about we go do something else? Not sure what yet. Okay. All right. So there. So let me grab this as well. Okay. So for now, while that one's installing, we're going to go ahead, run on upstairs. What?
What?
What do you say?
Talking to Brian.
Oh.
What are you doing?
I'm going to make some tortellini while I'm waiting for the service to set up. Do you know if Mom and Dad are going to make anything or no?
What?
Do you know if Mom and Dad are going to make anything or no?
No. We're going to go into the pool.
Alright.
You like my statue?
I'm live right now, just so you know. So.
You like the statue, Michael?
Nice. Okay, make sure we have. Oh, we don't even have pasta sauce. Never mind. Well, no pasta sauce means no tortellini, which means the easier thing. Cereal. Alright. Let me just okay. Yeah, boy. Can you just smell the Fruity Pebbles? So good. Alright. So, with that out of the way, let's go see where it's at, shall we? Alrighty. %63 done. So, still got a ways to go. Still got some stuff to do. Alright. So currently we're just waiting for the install to finish. There we go. Alright. I went and got some food, which happened to be cereal because we are out of pasta sauce. So I can't have my beloved tortellini. Looks like Diablo's still hungry, so. Let me go get him some more food. %. All right, bud. Hungry? Okay. It's installing updates, which it's not going to be able to do. Finishing up. Now it's going to restart. All right, so now I can unplug it. The USB drive, not the other stuff. This one down here. Switch that over. That. Okay. Go to source. Nope, that's not source. Oh, source. And plug the other one in. Okay. Switch the source. DVI. Hopefully. This is VGA still, so we're still not getting image. Let me unplug that. So it's forced to go over to DVI, which it might not work. I had to kind of reverse it and put the DVI to VGA connector on the monitor. I don't know if that's going to work, but find out. Doesn't look like it's going to work. So I guess we'll just have to swap back and forth between the two. No biggie. Okay. Little bastards. You were smarter, Diablo. Get him too. That's how they're sneaking out. I see. Oh, it's Diablo's fault too, because there we go. Alright. So, what does it say? Give me some info. Okay. This guy probably is wanting me to do this. Hit, so it's booting up here again. Don't need to go to the RAID controller this time. Virtual drive scene. This is the top one, the one we just got done working with, by the way. F1. There you go. So that's that one. That one's going to be booting into Windows now. Yep. So, you don't have to worry about that guy now. So we'll force shut down the bottom one. This is one I always have troubles with, so we'll see if I can get it working or not. So that was server 2. Boot it back up now. I might need to remove those other memory sticks too. That could be one of the issues. So I'm actually going to do that. So we'll unplug the bottom one. USBs. Display. Let's check the display on this one. Should be in Windows now. Yep, getting ready. So we definitely don't want to unplug that one. We need to get to the bottom. So, what to do, what to do, what to do. There. There. Excuse me. Basically, I'm just going to set it right beside here. Hopefully, should be enough room. I don't think I'll be stretching any of the cords at all, so should be fine. Okay. That's that. Let's open her up. That. In the meantime, I'm going to check on this, see its progress. If I can get these fucking cords out of here. I don't have the most ideal setup for this, but it works. So, Windows is still getting ready. We're going to hold the power button just to discharge all the possible power that might be stored up in there. That up. It's more of a precautionary measure. Okay. Yep, so this guy has one stick of each. It might just be that it doesn't like it in that slot. I know one of these slots is bad. So let's try this out. Somehow the VGA managed to screw itself in. I'll plug it in there. That's retarded. Anything. No signal. Awesome. I think I left all the other RAMs. Yep. Alright. So for now, I might only get one system up and working. It's fine. It sucks, but it's fine. Alright, so this system's not going to work tonight. I'm just going to put the lid back on. And put this guy back on top. Because at least we can get this one working for now. I just need to get it to the point where I can connect to the network. Then I can just remote into it from my desktop. That's my goal for tonight. Yeah, so it's configuring memory. It's starting over again. Okay. All right. Diablo. Diablo. I think he sees him. You might actually see him. So one virtual drive. When we get into Windows this time, it's probably going to ask us to actually set up the account, which I'm probably just going to call server 1, server 2, keep it simple. F1, boot up. See if we can knock some more previous down for him. He apparently doesn't know why. We've got all that ripped off. Oh, there you go. Okay. There you go. Good luck. Okay. There you go. There you go. Nice! Good boy! Good boy! Good boy. Alright. Over here. Got that. That's all of them. Okay. Good boy. So, here we go. We are in Windows. Alright, so go ahead. I unplugged the mouse. Hold on. Okay. Come on. Battery might have died too. Oh. There we go. There's that. Working mouse, customize. A quick way to go across that is just tab space all the way through them. Next. Tab, tab. Tab space. So we'll just call this one server 1. I'm not going to give it a password because we don't need one right now. Actually, we do need one because if you don't have one, you can't remote desktop. So you're here, yada yada yada. Excuse me. Yeah, so that's that for now. That's all I'm going. Excuse me. That's all I'm going to do tonight. I am going to try to get this thing set up to where I can do the actual streaming from this laptop, but over the network. Hopefully, be connected to my desktop so I can capture the screen. It's going to be through TeamViewer, so we'll see how that works. But thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed. I know I did. But yeah.